Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a true wireless earbud from boAt. The model number is boAt Airdopes 121 Pro. I have purchased this from Amazon for around 1300 Indian rupees. So I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. So let's unbox it. So here is the bill itself. You can see the price here. So here is the product itself. Here are some specifications like beast mode, battery indicator, screen, 5-minute ASAP charge, 60-minute playtime, IWP technology, so it will instant wake pairing. That technology is there also. This supports Bluetooth version 5.3 and it's IPX4 water resistance, and there is easy touch controls. This support both the Google and Siri voice assistants for Android and iOS. And here are the contents and some details that are provided here. So let's unbox this one. So inside the box there are some paperworks as usual, like some FAQ card, user manual, and some of the products of boAt. That pamphlet is also provided, and one boAt sticker, and there is a accessories box in which there is a USB-C type adapter for charging the case, and there are two pair of ear tips are provided with this earpod. And this is the main thing. I mean, this is really small. It feels quite small in my hand. And so here is the USB-C charging port and a reset button provided here, and this is the screen through which you can see the battery percentage. On top there is boAt branding, and inside the box there is two earbud, which is quite small. It really small and cute per se. The LED lights are blinking and it's searching for a device to pair with. So currently I think there is 27% charge available on this battery pack. So I guess I have to charge this one. And when you open the lid of this case, there is a sound that happening. I don't know whether you can hear it or not. So I think that is the indicator for charging. Anyway, that is all. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also, newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video. Stay tuned until then.